Well, this is Mr. Coyote at the old Chicken restaurant. People like to dump their crap everywhere. I don't understand it. People are so fucking lazy. They'll kill your cabinet or something. Little baby stroller. And then they're dumping a whole bunch of shit up here too. The only reason why I'm back here to document all this illegal dumping. Show this to my friend. The only reason why I'm doing this too, because I live here too. Oh, rebar. And that's where I came from. Way back there. Yeah. Shit. Let's take a look at the old restaurant sign. There's where that dummy used to be. Rumor has it he's still up there. Chicken restaurant. You know, Mo. Right here off of 99 Fentage Road. Yeah, people are finding a way up there. More junk over there. So the most three piles that I've seen are right here, and over there, and back. There's one over there. That way, guy, go see. But anywho, that's where the train used to sit. And then the casino, it looked like a ship. I think it was over here. And from what I've been told, from what my dad has been saying too, that it expanded over onto the other side of this wall here. So it was pretty big, but not no more. There we go. Had to zoom back in. It's not easy doing it by one hand when I'm driving. So I don't know if I'm supposed to be back here or not, but the fence is down, all the no trespassing signs are down. So why not take advantage of it? It's a nice day out. But as you can see, there's a pile of shit there, there's a pile of shit there. And right there too. Here's some concrete from the restaurant. Probably bits of foundation, bits of an old house. Yeah, see right there? It's part of it right there. All of that's gonna go bye-bye. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. What's it gonna take for everybody to stop polluting or throwing shit over here? There's like a water fountain thing. Probably doesn't work. Whole bunch of shit. Alright. Now I'm going back a different way so I can see what I can see. So I'm taking it very slowly because I've never been out here. I don't know if there's any nails or screws. There's a cement pad. Must have been a foundation. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Just a bunch of shit now. If anything, the sheriff should be coming out here and take a look at all the illegal dumping. Part of a piece of wood foundation. Yeah, from there to all the way over here was the Chicken restaurant, and beyond that fence was the ghost town, I believe, but the church took it over. The Berea Baptist Church. So wind is starting to pick up some dust. Whoa, that's a big one. You don't want to run that over with these little tires. A lot of golf balls. But I did find a what do they call now, a security camera. I don't know if it works, but something to tinker with. Barbed wire. But I'm doing this too because I really like history and roadside attractions that went the way of the dodo. Alright, we're coming up on that small pile of shit that I can see from my house. And you can barely see it on camera, but there's the church. So I'm not too far away from my house. So what I'm thinking, all this shit right here I'm coming up on is probably from all these rich houses. But I don't know. There's a bunch of shit over here. Let's see. Yeah, that might be from the chicken restaurant. Those old barrels and whatever. Yeah, see, looks like a trailer. It backed up and dumped its load all over here. I'm trying to keep my vision clear so I can see what I'm doing. Alright. So I'm not running over any nails or glass. Alright, let's see what this is. Jeez. What the flying fuck? I can't believe all this. Wow. That's unbelievable. We got mirrors, we got car parts. Oil. That's not too good for the environment. Dumping oil out here. Well, they figure that the state will probably pick it up, but if I really wanted to, I could post this on Facebook and get the message out there that I don't put up with that shit, with polluting, illegal dumping. But my home is right there, coming up on it. So far my tractor's not bogging down. Ugh. Ow. I don't normally come over here unless, you know, I have a reason to. And my reason for the visit, people like to dump shit out here. Alright. See, like right back here where the cacti is, I think this was Western Town. I believe so. I don't want to run that over. I don't know if that has rebar in it, but pretty much this is home for me. Alrighty, let me get on a smooth path here. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Chicken Restaurant, what it was, and what I heard that they're gonna develop it for housing. Stupid Starbucks. Like, we need more coffee shops around here. I don't believe that we need more housing either. Let's just bring more crime to this peaceful valley. But it's progress, I guess. I don't know. But here's home, and I gotta crawl up that hill. Alrighty. I shall see you guys later. Bye for now. This is Mr. Coyote signing off.